10 awesome STEM projects for students. Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the world of STEM? Whether you're a future engineer, scientist, or just love solving cool problems, we've got 10 amazing STEM project ideas that are fun, educational, and perfect for students like you. Let's get started. 1. Build a solar-powered car. First up, build a solar-powered car. Learn about renewable energy, circuits, and engineering as you design and construct a car that runs on sunlight. It's a great way to explore sustainability and innovation. 2. Create a homemade volcano. Who doesn't love a classic volcano experiment? This project teaches you about chemical reactions in geology. Plus, it's super fun to watch it erupt. 3. Design a water filtration system. Clean water is essential for life. In this project, you'll design and test a water filtration system using everyday materials. It's a hands-on way to learn about environmental science and engineering. 4. Program a simple robot. Robotics is the future. Use a beginner-friendly kit or even a Raspberry Pi to program a simple robot. You'll learn coding, electronics, and problem-solving skills that are in high demand. 5. Launch a model rocket. Ready for liftoff? Build and launch a model rocket to explore physics, aerodynamics, and engineering. It's an out-of-this-world project that's sure to impress. 6. Grow crystals at home. Discover the beauty of chemistry by growing your own crystals. This project teaches you about solubility, saturation, and molecular structures, plus, you'll have a cool keepsake at the end. 7. Build a wind turbine. Harness the power of the wind. Build a mini wind turbine to learn about renewable energy and mechanical engineering. It's a great way to explore green technology. 8. Create a DNA model. Get hands-on with biology by creating a DNA model. This project helps you understand the structure of DNA and the basics of genetics. Science has never been this creative. 9. Design a bridge with popsicle sticks. Visual. Students building and testing a popsicle stick bridge. Host, calling all future engineers. Design and build a bridge using popsicle sticks, then test its strength. This project teaches you about structural engineering and physics in a fun, practical way. 10. Code your own video game. Visual. Students coding on a laptop, followed by gameplay of a simple video game. Love video games? Why not create your own? Use platforms like Scratch or Unity to code a simple game. You'll learn programming, logic, and creativity, all while having a blast. And there you have it, 10 awesome STEM projects to spark your curiosity and creativity. Whether you're into coding, chemistry, or engineering, there's something here for everyone. So grab your tools, gather your friends, and start building. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more STEM inspiration. See you next time.